Well, I've owned a lot of knives. I've seen some pretty good quality blades. This one, probably the best I've ever owned. Puts Spyderco to shame. Be careful with it because it's sharp enough to shave with. Extremely well made. Good customer service. Quality materials. It's got a ball bearing in here, so the opening on this thing is super easy, super fast. I mean, it's just a crazy, smooth, well-made blade. AUS 8 steel. And when it arrived, it was sharp enough to shave with. So my video review of the off-grid knives flipper, probably the best knife I've ever owned, and I have owned pretty much everything. So if you see it, I recommend you buy it, because I don't know how long you're going to be able to get them. These things are hard to come by.